Hello, fellow traders. 'Tis I, the Rumpled One. It is Friday, September 21st, the year 2018. Let's talk trading weekly wrap up. I hope you traders out there, had a really good week of draining the banks. Also, hope you had a really good week of using your money in risk management. Okay, let's see here. The euro yen, 116, 17 pips above previous month's high. I don't know if anybody took that breakout this week, but if you did, it paid off. And the weekly high, 118 pips above there once again. Very nice run. And look, we're 82 pips off the close. We're 82 pips, 83 pips off that high there, you can see. And the pound dollar did not fill. And on the daily, you can see here, there was a very small wick zone. We broke out to the upside and we broke out to the downside. Only 87 pips on the day of the range, but 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 over 100, and 6 of those are over 200. With the pound New Zealand clocking in at 289 pip range, once again outpacing the beast. And you can see here the euro yen, the sellers took over, but we had a nice buy zone trade. A couple entries there, almost triggered a loss there, but not quite. You can see here we have a missed pivot, but it looks like it wants to seek out that mixed pivot. And we had a very nice short here. This trigger may have popped you out if you like to put your stop loss at the daily open on that crossover. But you see here, this one paid off. And once again, this last trade, you should be out with a profit. And you can also see we've got some nice rat zone action here. We just put in a low. We're turning, we're going up, top of the hour here. Once again, missed that pivot. Hit the weekly R2 and is turning around. Once again, pivot traders can be paying off nicely. And you can see here, we've got these 3 missed pivots. And you can see we've had some buying and selling. 3 ball at the top, red at the line. 2 ball at the bottom, green at the line, right here. A Randy real-time trade. Once again, previous daily sessions, horizontal lines, trading with the H1 candle color, proving to be profitable once again. On the week, look at this close above the open, 212 pips. Add another 80 to that, that's almost 300 pips if you just traded the weekly open. Monthly open right now, 357. We've got 1 week left this month. And you can see here a very small wick zone, in and out, in and out. Now, those of you who trade the wick zone, you might think, well, hey, if it's skinny like that, does it count? Oh, yes, it counts. And we're working with a holo here, Randy real time. 132.29 is your holo trade if you want to trade that. Inventory reduction bars. I received an email. Somebody said they wanted, Somebody said that if they had these alerts, I guess on daily, weekly, monthly, that's all they would trade. I don't let's see, these are the dots. These are the lines. I don't think, no, I did not put alerts in that indicator. I would have to think on putting alerts in that indicator. That has to go on the drawing board, or rather in the to-do list, because you guys know I've got a ton of code I need to catch up on to get you guys up to date on a couple things. Like, for example, put this code over here, take it out of the comments and just have a line so we can see what's going on. I think I want to make that part of the history. I'm not 100% sure. Sometimes it's nice to have those histories, and other times it's just more stuff to distract you from the main process of trading. And we're looking at the previous daily, weekly, monthly open, high, low lines. Once again, there's your previous day's high trading. The candle color at that area is already showing to be profitable. Got some buying going on, but it's not pushing the price up. Not much. Only 2.8 pips at the moment. 2.9, 3.2. There's a jump. 3.4, 3.5, 3.7. Maybe the buyers are kicking back in. 3.9, 4.7. So you can see 5.2. Now it's becoming a nice trade here. And if you go back, you can see it touched that line. Let's go back to, but remember we were in a holo situation. You see here, we've got that 2 ball. So it's 241 ticks, 242 ticks of buying. Okay. And you can see right here, we started the buying right there at the 26. And we're up to 30 on the bid. We had gotten all the way up to 31 on the bid. So not a bad little run there in real time. Okay. This isn't even, you can see, I gotta figure out something. Oh, I think I might have made this indicator so it doesn't refresh when I first open the chart for some reason. Okay, here we go. Randy real-time trade. Right there's a trigger on the Einstein line. If we just open the chart, you can see here everybody but from D1 down, with the exception of M5, where it's saying it's going down, red. Now got some waiting. Sellers must have exhausted themselves. Well, that's it there, fellow traders. I don't think I got any other questions. So if you're still trading, remember to stay focused, money management, risk management, because it's not what you trade, it's how you trade it. So continue draining the banks and have a nice and safe weekend.